Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We woke up to something very weird. Very
what?
Well, number one, I'm not real happy that our windows in our shuttle bus got left open.
Oh, it was hot in there the other day. Oh, it was raining yesterday.
Been raining, so...
We left the shuttle bus windows open.
But I came out to empty the trash, and there's a bird in there.
Uh-oh.
Let's see how much poop is all over the place.
Oh, no.
Can you open it?
Let's open it up and see.
What happened? Real quick, let's talk about your hair. That's good morning hair.
That's his hair every day.
So here's all the windows open. Oh, and it was raining all day yesterday. And there's a bird in there?
He's trying to get out.
I hear it.
I'm going to open the window.
Do you see him in there?
Oh,
Oh, I hear him. He's trying hard.
In the back window.
He's in the back?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, he's scared of us. Where is he?
Let's see if I can see him. It's a dove.
Oh, I wonder if he's injured. He might not be able to fly anymore.
Do you see him?
No.
Here, take this back there. I'm not going back there. Go see if you can see him.
You guys just go to the back and sit on the back seat. You can't be right there because he needs to fly out. Just go sit on the back seat.
There it is. Yeah. I think he's injured. What? Okay.
Does it seem injured?
They can't see. They can't see glass, so that's probably why.
Well, we're surrounding him. He's gonna poop everywhere.
He already did poop. No, that's just his
Oh my gosh, poor little bird.
Well, how do we get him out of here?
We can get the
What do we do?
Pull net.
Pull net.
Pull net. Well, we don't want to hurt its wings though.
No, we're not.
What do we do here?
What do we do?
Why don't you guys go find me like a 3-foot stick or something, and then we can just let him crawl on the stick and then lift him out.
Okay. Just be careful not to
I
hurt
thought
him.
with broom. We can use a hat. Dad, squish him.
A hat? No, we're not going to squish him.
Squish him. It's official.
No.
Get the broom.
We're not squishing him. Poor bird. What'd you find?
Curtain rod to the rescue.
Curtain rod?
You guys stay here. Stay here.
Okay, we'll stay out here.
If you want to come in here and record, you can.
Well, I'm scared it's going to fly at me.
Oh, yuck! Bird crap.
Oh, did you?
That's nasty.
Oh, good morning. Bird crap on your hand.
Gross.
Oh my gosh.
You get him?
Be careful.
Coming that way.
Okay.
Coming that way.
Okay. Did you get him? Here he comes. Oh, I see him. Oh, his tail's damaged? Oh, there he goes! Bye, bird! He can still fly, so that's
Yeah,
great.
he's good.
Yay! Ew!
So gross.
So gross. Yay, there's probably poop all over in there.
Probably true.
And you didn't shut the window still.
Well, no, it's got to dry out now.
Are all the seats wet from the
They're
rain?
just a little tiny bit wet, but I want them to dry out. It's not going to rain anymore, so.
Okay.
Ew.
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 What was that? Yeah, there was a bird in the bus.
Oh, you get it out?
Yes, I got it out. Look at your little cute morning hair. Good morning, baby. Aw, thanks. Good hugs.
Hey Liz, how was school?
Good.
Okay, all the middle schoolers just got home, and it's Miles' birthday. Happy birthday, dude! What's up? How was school?
Good.
So, She's kind of spoiled it because she showed you the frosting, but we made a cake for you. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I made it.
You did not. And Nevaeh, why are you eating his icing? The lighting out here sucks. Why are you eating his icing?
I'm not.
You just did it in the grass?
I'm not eating that. That was
Oh yeah, I bet it was. Go pick it up. Time to go. You have chocolate on your face.
What do you mean?
Silly. Destiny, what'd you make?
I made cake for Miles.
It
for his
looks so
birthday.
good. Except I don't like cake. Doesn't it look good? What's up with your hat?
Today's.
I don't know.
Well, thanks for making cake.
You're welcome. We don't like cake.
Wash
We
dishes.
could have got something else. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Oh
Is that the cake dance? Hey, do you like the cake?
I made it. Okay, so this is the inside of it is
Vanilla
no, it's not. The
It's
inside of it
strawberry.
is strawberry.
and chocolate.
This is chocolate.
I'm sending
But we didn't know what we didn't ask her what you wanted.
Ooh, vanilla
That's okay.
and chocolate.
Cake
I
dance.
might not eat the ice cream because I don't like cake.
And I decorated his locker for his birthday today.
Did you like your decorated locker?
Yeah, it was nice. I also got
I told her
I
that.
also got hot Cheetos.
Nice, nice. Nice. To Chick-fil-A, or are you taking me? Oh, you can't see it, but it's Chick-fil-A. Are you taking me? Wow. Wow. Oh, thanks.
Okay, guys, be careful.
Seriously,
Oh, Spencer.
Careful, guys.
Oh, I touched
Mine
it.
blew out. Ready?
Alright. I feel like something's bad. That's burned out too much.
All right, today's someone's birthday.
Aiden.
No. It's yours. Happy birthday, Miles.
Thank you.
All right, let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miles. Happy birthday to you. Stick your head and holla, hi-ya, chicken!
Woo, make a wish.
What's your wish?
Can't
Yay!
tell, or else it won't come true.
There's some wax on this cake boss.
That's okay.
I'll still-
We'll eat it anyway.
is healthy.
Wax is not very healthy.
Like Wax Museum.
the Wax Museum.
All right, so tell everyone why you're here.
Well, I come after school. I go on the bus.
Yes, you get to ride the bus home to our
Yeah.
house,
Yes.
and then around 5 o'clock or so you get picked up. But we're so glad that we get to see you every day until we move.
Yeah.
Yay! What are you doing?
There's a pimple right here. I'm trying to pop it. Awkward moment. Sorry,
Awkward
guys.
moment, awkward moment. We're trying to eat cake.
I don't like cake.